Hello and welcome back to Projects of Wellington. Today we're going to go and pick up a new car for myself, as I've sold all my Mercedes and all that, so I'm going to be getting a nice sporty Focus, so hope you enjoy the video, and hopefully it'll be a good day because it's nice and sunny out. So off we go. So we finally got in the car now, so as you can see I've bought myself an ST. Nice. So yeah, I've just got to wait. It was a bit of a nightmare getting it because my money got transferred and then it wouldn't show up in the bloke's account, so that was a nightmare. So I was stuck there for an hour or two, but now we're riding home now, so this should be quite good fun to drive. Yeah, this car's got a little bit different. Obviously all you can see at the moment is the ST, but it's a little bit different. I like the seats, they're not as hard as the RS seats. Just sold something or said something. So yeah, so now we're going to go back home and then I shall give it a clean because it's a bit dirty at the moment.